Hello, Mimi. Happy Halloween. Wow, I got some kind of nasty cold. Reminds me, that's what used to happen to me a lot as a kid. I'd get a cold around Halloween, and I'd be dressed up as Batman in my house, looking out the window thinking, why can't I go trick-or-treating? And now it happened again. Well, I'm feeling a little better, but it definitely knocked me for a loop. But what we're going to do is we're going to unbox some trains that we got as a donation from my good friend Frank, and I calling this the TrainMaster Collection because he just unbelievable knowledge of trains of all scales, real, prototypical, and model, just off the wall. He's like my Obi-Wan Kenobi. So I guess he was downsizing his trains, and he figured that they'd be a good donation to the channel, and we're going to look through some of the boxes now and see what we find. Hey, all right, everybody. It's Bobby from Bobby's Hobbies, and we're going to do a little unboxing on this Halloween night. Now, I got a collection from my friend Frank, who is downsizing. I call it the TrainMaster Collection since he was, or is, a truly knowledgeable model railroader. And they were in some bigger boxes. I put them in some smaller ones just because they were too heavy. So let's see what we can find in here. Let's see what came with this. Okay, there's a freight car kit. I'm not sure who makes this. E&C Shops. So that's a kit form. Don't want to open that. But nothing like hitting the camera. Oh, here we go. Downtown Hotel. This is by Lifelike. It's a nice looking hotel. Let's see what this cost at the time. I can't read it. That's weird. Maybe it'll show up on the video better. Alright, so that's this box. Alright. Let's see what this box is big. What the hell is this? Wow. It's just like this came in the original. Let's get rid of this box. And there. Turbo train. Who the hell makes this? Rapido. HO scale 3-car train. Both engines powered with sound, DC and DCC. Maybe I gotta talk to Frank. You didn't know we put in these boxes. New Haven. 2 powered dome cars. What the heck? I think Frank lost his mind. He's just giving away the store. I hope he's okay. What in the world is this? Some kind of these decals? Now I wouldn't even know what to do with this kit. This is way too fancy for me. Now look at that. It's got a battery and a controller. I'm gonna have to go to school to figure out how to run this. Now it's got wheelies there. No wheel there. I don't even know what to make of this. This is, I'm used to 1960s, 70s trains, 80s. Look at these wheels. What the hell is going on? Where did this train even run? And this is power. Oh, it looks gorgeous. I don't even know what to make of this thing. This is like beyond me. It's like giving a television to a Neanderthal. All right, we'll try to figure this out. Wow. Okay, that's a little much. It's a little overwhelming, to be honest. because I know Rapido is like ridiculously expensive. Wow. If anybody's got any info on what that train really is or does, please let me know. All right, now, what is this box? HO vehicles, miscellaneous HO stuff, layout photos, timetables. Ah, this is more my speed. Stuff that's been used or played with. Look at that nice Concord truck. Let's get this out of here. Makes a lot of background. Oh, wow. Nice bus. I wonder if this is a pullback. Nope. Pullback bus. Nope. It's like some kind of rail crane. Yeah, see? It's got wheels that don't move, but they're supposed to go back and forth. This is heavy. Ooh! Cotton belt. It's not Athearn. Could be model power. It's kind of neat. Oh, here's the top of the crane. Hey, that's pretty neat. Flat car load pipes, wood, more pipes. Guess we could put them in here. Pepsi, CP rail, trail van, another bus. Another bus, very nice. Buses. Box, mystery box. Okay, Penn Central boxcar. Like I said, this takes up 3 boxes. There's 7 more, but I'll do these 3 boxes for tonight. There's another piece that goes with that. Here's another bus. Another truck. Another truck, Flying Tigers. Container. I don't know. Oh, this is for the crane. This is for the crane to go on. So that's what that's for. Should be another one. Yep. There it is. See, that goes for the crane. Here's another box. Hopper. Ooh, nice garbage truck. Wow. Looks like he made this himself with matchsticks. A wood load. That looks nice. CP. This is wrapped up. What the hell is this? It's crumbling apart. Oh, nice. Bulldozer. It's heavy. Put that in there. Oh, train stop. Put that in there. Something for a freight station. Another bus. Another tractor trailer. Another tractor trailer. Rear container. Tractor trailer, tractor trailer. Vehicle. Oh wow. Look at that, it's a street sweeper. That's a nice one. These are HO scale. You can see the difference, how much bigger a matchbox is. See, this is closer to like a matchbox size. See the difference? These are great vehicles. Another container. Container. Nice truck. Ooh, with a dump. Look at that, and that opens. Pretty neat. Another stopper. Train stopper. I don't know what the real name of it is. Oh, wow, forklift. These are really high detail and the right size. Ah, one of my favorite things, the telephone pole. Another dead end train stopper. Oh, Firebird, classic car, especially if you're in Brooklyn. Truck rig, cars. Very nice. The truck. More pipes. He was big on pipes, I guess. A little car. Oh, a hand cart for the tracks. Two more cars. Oh, and one more. A train Dodger. Here's a street sign. Another car, another truck. Looks like that has a light in it. A&P, which has gone out of business. Incredible. Another car. This is a rest in here. See this little debris and stuff. So throw this junk out. But not the parts, but this paper. All right, there's the first part of it. So that's 3 out of the 10 boxes. Hey, thanks for watching, and happy Halloween.